Good afternoon. This is Keith Brown in Moultrie, Georgia with some commodity commentary for Thursday. It's about 4:30 Eastern Time, running a little late. Markets were all mixed today. We had cotton finished higher. We had great cotton exports this morning. USDA said we sold 415,000 bales of cotton last week. You apply that to the prior week's 400,000 and the week before that 300,000, and pretty soon you get the message. We've sold about 1,000,001, 1,000,002. And that certainly has perked the market up, I guess, a little bit, or kept it from going down. Today, December cotton expired, went away, so tomorrow, March cotton becomes front month. So we'll see how it performs tomorrow after having this long-standing audition, I guess. Nonetheless, seems to me that, cynically, that China's just going to let us grow their cotton for now. They're going to focus on corn and beans and wheat. And let us grow the fiber, and we'll make between 75 and 80 cents on it, looks like to me. So as we go through time, we'll see how that pairs out. But we have a supply-demand number out next week, and we'll see if that's going to show any measurable decrease in U.S. stocks because of it pick up in the exports. Over in the grains today, had a super soybean export number today. The number escapes me, but it was huge. And beans actually made highs into the close, although at one time they did dope around pretty good. Actually got a little negative on the day. But spot beans went out around 14.80. I do apologize. Spot beans went out around about 14.90. And so that was somewhat impressive there. $15 is a big round fat number that I think a lot of selling will be found. Technical boys tell me if we get over 15.10, we got some more upside to go. That may be the case. So as we price beans, you might think about buying some calls on top of that. Corn today did not have a very good export number. I think we only sold 50,000 metric tons. And corn took it kind of hard, but could have been worse, I guess. The nearby corn closed down about 6 or 7 cents. Did a little bit of technical damage in my estimation to the charts, but nothing it could not overcome tomorrow, but we'll see. New crop corn actually finished lower, but not as bad, down a couple of cents or so. September corn continues to hang around the 660 area. That is probably a good place. If you think about it, 660 corn, expecting a world of corn to be planted next year, would not be a bad start. So I would certainly think about that if I were a actual producer, cash producer on corn. Fuel today was down because the dollar was up. And of course, we're still looking at fiscal cliff and all these extraneous things that could certainly undermine the economy. But we'll let that happen. If you have any questions or comments, of course, give us a call, 1-800-910-1910. Thanks for listening.